Project management. What is project management? In the early period, centuries ago, project management has been used. The outcomes of these projects were the result of leaders and managers applying project management practices, principles, processes, tools, and techniques to their work. The managers of these projects used a set of key skills and applied knowledge to satisfy their customers and other people involved in and affected by the project. Project management is the process of leading the work of a team to achieve all project goals within the given constraints. This information is usually described in project documentation, created at the beginning of the development process. The primary constraints are scope, time, and budget. The secondary challenge is to optimize the allocation of necessary inputs and apply them to meet predefined objectives. The objective of project management is to produce a complete project which complies with the client's objectives. In many cases, the objective of project management is also to shape or reform the client's brief to feasibly address the client's objectives. Once the client's objectives are clearly established, they should influence all decisions made by other people involved in the project, for example, project managers, designers, contractors, and subcontractors. Ill-defined or too tightly prescribed project management objectives are detrimental to decision-making. So what is a project? A project is a temporary and unique endeavor designed to produce a product, service, or result with a defined beginning and end, usually time-constrained, and often constrained by funding or staffing, undertaken to meet unique goals and objectives, typically to bring about beneficial change or added value. Project is divided in 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. The temporary nature of projects stands in contrast with business as usual or operations. Operations are repetitive, permanent, or semi-permanent functional activities to produce products or services. In practice, the management of such distinct production approaches requires the development of distinct technical skills and management strategies. What is program management? Program management is composed of multiple projects and can sometimes include operation. What is portfolio management? Portfolio management is composed of multiple projects, programs, and can sometimes include operation. Great job! See you in next lecture.